guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today we're going to be doing favorites video. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while, but I've had a lot of products in the month of August that have really been hits. Like, they have just hit, they've slapped, and they've been amazing. So of course I want to share that with you guys, as well as a couple of other products that I didn't really like, but you know, you hate to say it. So if you want to see what my favorites are, what the crappy products were, please keep watching. But before all of that happens, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's_Gilly. So just to kind of kick off today's video, I'm really enjoying this look. If you couldn't tell, but I do have a video on this look. If you guys want to see it, it will be uploaded after this one. So, you know, stay tuned. If you subscribe, you'll know. So yeah, let me get into my actual products that I'm here to talk about, because y'all know I could talk forever. The first product I'm going to mention is the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration, the Jackie Aina palette. I have really been standing this product. I have been talking about it everywhere. I love this. Basically every color in here has been used except for except for one shade. I have literally used every single shade in here except for one shade, and this is just a beautiful palette made by two of my favorite people ever. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills, I love Jackie Aina, and I'm just so glad that they got together and created this masterpiece. And of course, that's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, if you couldn't tell. This palette does retail for $45, which is a little bit on the pricey side for a lot of people, but that is the typical price of an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It was $42, now they're $45, but you know, there's a recession, so everybody's trying to make money. But I really do think that this palette is worth it, and you definitely will get bang for your buck. But that's just my humble opinion. Moving on to another product, it's the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Complexion Powder. I'm sure you guys have seen, or I hope you guys have seen, my review on this powder, and it actually really was amazing on its own. Like, I literally use this powder every single day now. Like, even if I'm just like not even wearing makeup, I just dip a little swipe just so my face can look really nice and flawless for the day, just like without even putting in any effort. Love this powder. And in case you're wondering, I am in the shade Chai. This is one of the shades that Jackie Aina created, but then they expanded her foundation shade into like all these other products for the Born This Way line. Definitely loved this product. I still love it, and I will be wearing this forever and ever. Next I have these Kiss I Envy 3D lashes. These are the lashes I am wearing today. I never thought that I would like really huge fluffy lashes until I got my hands on these. These are epically amazing. I have them in the style 102. Love them. Literally, they have been used and abused this entire summer really, but like, I just love them. You should definitely try to get some if you haven't gotten some already. But that's just it, you know. I'm still just gonna talk about this. Moving on to some more makeup products. I am like absolutely obsessed with the Fenty Pro Filter powder. This one is in the shade Nutmeg. I do also use the other shade that I use is Banana. I have the full size of the Banana, but Nutmeg is just such a perfect a powder to set my whole face with. Like, I absolutely just love it. Like, Rihanna just keeps killing it, and she keeps killing my wallet, but I stan everything she comes out with. I just think they are so good. And if you're an oily girl, this is definitely one of the best powders for like setting oily skin, because it's like, it's there for you. It holds you and it understands you, okay? And it will not let you down throughout the day. I think, oh no, I got something else for y'all. Don't hate me. I'm gonna have to make the Pat McGrath in my August favorites. I really love this foundation. I didn't think that I would, because it just seemed like it's for the girls that, you know, have perfect skin and they're just, you know, on the go, a little swift, that, and they're beautiful. But this foundation is actually gorgeous. I love it. I think it looks so nice. I do wear the shade Medium Deep 27. It's a beautiful foundation, beautiful finish, and actually does really well on oily skin, surprisingly enough. Like, I don't know, I just think that this, like, the foundation is so gorgeous. I just can't stop talking about it, to be honest. The last makeup product that I'm going to talk about in my favorites is going to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte bullet lipsticks. I really have been loving these lately. This one is in the shade Honey, which is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's such a beautiful nude on me. Barely needed any liner. Absolutely love this shade, as well as the other two shades that I love. I don't have them on me right now. They're upstairs. One of them is called Latte and the other one is called Stevie. Love those shades. They're such nice nudes on me, and it's just so nice to be able to find more than one shade of nude in like a brand's lipstick collection, you know? It's the little things in life, the little things. Moving on to skincare, because you know your face beat, but your skin gotta be beat too. I don't know if you guys saw this. If you follow me on Instagram, you would. Hint, hint. I won the Too Faced and Alex and Ani giveaway thing that they were giving. So Too Faced sent me their entire hangover collection. So I got the hangover serum, the hangover primer, the hangover spray, and all that good stuff. But the highlight of that entire collection is definitely this hangover good in bed ultra replenishing hydrating serum. This here is a win. My skin is so hydrated, so plump, and just looks so nice, and I'm pretty sure it's all because of the serum. I mean, I'm using a lot of hydrating products these days, but this serum, as soon as I incorporated it into my makeup routine, it just or my skincare routine, it just changed the game, and I woke up immediately the next day feeling like my best self. Moving on to some other serums that I got that I think are really cute. Not really sure what they're really doing, but I kind of like them and I think they're cute. They're not the best things in the world, but you know, you get what you get for your money. It's these 4th Ray Beauty serums. I have the Remedy one and the Turmeric Face Milk. The Remedy one has 10% niacinamide serum in it. These are the skincare brand off of ColourPop, but they're calling it 4th Ray Beauty. Like I said, these are really cute, you know. They kind of do the job, but they're not gonna fix all of your problems. You know, they're not gonna pay your rent, they're not gonna, you know, do all that stuff for you, but they do the job and they do it well. So that's why they're in here. And the, not final, it's not final. I have the Sephora Firming Sleeping Cream. This thing is thick, and I just love it. Look at it, it's so thick. A little bit goes such a long way with this product, but it definitely just holds in all the products that I put underneath it at night, and my face does not get dry or anything, and it definitely keeps me so moisturized. And right now I am on a moisturization kick. I want to be hydrated to the gods, and that's what I feel all these products are doing for me at the moment. The last product that I'm going to mention is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Your girl finally upgraded to the big boy size, and I absolutely just love the way this smells. Honestly, I feel like this is the signature scent of my life right now. I love it for an everyday scent. It's just so nice and potent. It's kind of strong. So if you don't like strong scents, this may not be for you, but I like strong scents, and this is for me. I absolutely love it. It's so perfect, and it's definitely worth the money. It's just hold on. Oh, the thing is up here. I always forget. It smells magical. I honestly can't even describe it because I suck at describing smells, but you need to get your hands on this. And if this gives you anything, it says it's mixed with guarana extract. Don't know what that means. It smells great. Moving on. Now we're gonna move to the sad part of this video, and these are gonna be my shit products for the month. I did not enjoy these products at all. They freaking sucked, and they are, sadly, 2 of them are skincare products. So I'm gonna go with the makeup one. It's the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. I don't know why I can't seem to get into this mascara. Like, it's good, but it's not good. There's something about it that's off, and it's definitely not like the Better Than Sex mascara, because that one is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. This one, something's off about it. I don't know what it is, but I prefer the Better Than Sex mascara anytime over this. Like, this isn't it. Like, they tried, but I don't like this at all. Will not be purchasing the full size ever. So next, these are actually two like skincare products, and I should have known better because I bought these from like TJ Maxx, and you know, it just goes the same. You get what you pay for. So the first one is this Shea Moisture African Black Soap Hydrating Jelly Moisturizer. Wow, why did I just struggle with that? I hated this. I put it on my face, and it felt as if I put nothing on my face, and then it made my face feel like really tight and uncomfortable. And I was like, how are you a moisturizer if you're making my face feel even drier than it was before? Like, I don't know. I just did not enjoy this at all. Like, none of the claims on this are good. Like, it's supposed to detoxify the skin, but also if you're a moisturizer, can you moisturize my skin as well? Like, this was just bad. I'm definitely throwing this away today because I've been holding on to it for like a while to tell you guys about it, but it sucked. Like, do not buy it. I don't know about the rest of this African Black Soap collection from them, which is like their facial products. I don't know, but this one in particular sucked. I would never let that thing touch my face again. And then lastly, I have this Soothing Hemp Face Mist with Aloe. This is from True Botanics. Like I said, I got this from Marshall's. I was like, oh, I need a facial mist. This looks real cute. You know, it says it has green tea, aloe, whatever, all that good stuff, hemp oil. And I was like, sure, like whatever. I sprayed my face with this and it burned. Like, it burned, and my lips were burning too. And I was like, why? Why is this happening to me? What did I do to deserve this? So definitely this is a no for me. Never gonna use this again, and I honestly would recommend staying away from this. And it's so strange because this says it has no silicones, parabens, or GMOs or animal testing, but whatever is in here is uncomfortable. And I even tried to use it again, but like I covered my lips. It was bad. I just, this wasn't it. Oh! I'm so scatterbrained, guys. I am so scatterbrained. The last product, this is actually a favorite, so thank God we're ending on a good note. Always want to end on a good note, right? This is the Dose of Color Sponge. As you can tell, mine is disgusting. It's disgusting. There's no way around it. I love this sponge. I have been using it like every time I wear makeup ever since I got it. It's so nice and fluffy and really doesn't leave your face patchy or anything. Like, even today, I even applied my foundation with a sponge. You guys know I don't use sponge for foundations. Like, I just really love this sponge so much, and I'm definitely gonna order a few more of them just because like I love it so much. It's such a good sponge, gets the job done. It is $15, so that's still kind of pricey, but to me it's a decent sponge. It's still a little cheaper than a beauty blender, so that's a win. So guys, those are all of my favorite products and not so favorite products of the month of August. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below which products you guys were enjoying for the month of August, which products you guys think I should be trying in the month of September, all that jazz. And let me know your thoughts down below. But before we leave, you guys know I'm gonna ask y'all, subscribe to my channel. Just do it. As well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gilly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.